Speed, power, maneuverability, new lighter weight packages. No one is moving things forward in the backcountry like Arctic Cat.
Arctic Cat is listening to what the consumers are wanting, and they're doing it, and doing it quickly.
The Ascender platform on all Arctic Cat M sleds is one example. Our engineers narrowed each running board an inch compared to previous designs and made the overall profile 10% skinnier. For mountain riders like you, that means better side hill performance and venting, as well as making it easier to lay the sled over in deep snow.
That's the cool thing about Arctic Cat is we have guys that are mountain riders out in the mountains testing our equipment, putting them through the paces.
The engineers, they never quit. They just keep working on these things.
The belly pan is now reshaped to move your feet forward for better ergonomics. Plus, we've dropped the drive shaft angle. That makes for a flatter approach angle with more floatability and maneuverability, improved handling, and more available horsepower for climbing, carving, side hilling, and boondocking.
It's good to be Arctic Cat right now. I mean, everything about Arctic Cat, the direction Arctic Cat's going is just stoked.
For unheard of control in deep snow, take a look at a Mountain Cat with the new Alpha 1 rear suspension system. An industry first, it's changing the idea of what was ever thought possible. Instead of a traditional twin rail design, the Alpha 1 has a lightweight, rigid, single beam system. It allows the track to flex and conform to the snow. One of its many benefits, better flotation to get out of the hole.
When I first saw this design, I was like, why didn't mountain snowmobiles have this 20 years ago?
And I got on this snowmobile, and it absolutely blew my mind.
With the single beam in the middle, the pivot point now moves to the center, which gives you incredible control and maneuverability with far less effort.
This thing just turns inside of itself so effortlessly. You know, it'll spin around on a dime and just takes very little rider input to get it to do what you want it to do.
You just feel like you could keep going at the end of the day and not be fatigued.
The single beam is made of extruded aluminum and magnesium and has a hollowed box support system, so it has fewer parts for less weight. Plus, it keeps weight down in one other way.
There virtually is no snow buildup on this thing compared to a twin rail in deep, heavy, wet snow.
There's nothing to hold snow on that skid.
Check out the new M sleds and see how innovative the backcountry can be in the wide world of Arctic Cat.